Hi, I'm Arrie Chapman, and I'm from Boy North Fifth Hour.
Hi, I'm Micah from Boy North Fifth Hour. I'm Diane, and I'm from Boy North Fourth Hour.
Our chapters are Chapter 4, Vector Addition, and Chapter 15, Sound.
Sound is the vibrations that travel through the air or another medium and can be heard when they reach a person's or another animal's ear.
Period.
Vector addition is the operation of adding two or more vectors together into a vector sum.
Period. Period.
Arrows, head to tail, are adding and subtracting vectors. The sum of these two vectors are called the resulting vector. A resulting vector is a vector that is equal to the sum of two or more vectors. Sound is very important to the human experience. There are many different sound patterns. Two of them are the characteristics of speech and the characteristics of music. Although some sounds, however, are very important to survival. You can produce sound in many ways, such as making beats, talking like I am right now, and music. An arrow having a specified length and direction is called a graphical representation of a vector. The arrow is drawn to scale so that its length represents the magnitude of the vector, and arrow points in the specified direction of the vector. The law of cosines is used to calculate the magnitude of resultant when the angle between the vectors is other than 90 degrees. The law of cosines is equal to r squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of theta. If the two vectors to be added are at right angles, the magnitude can be found by using the Pythagorean theorem. R squared equals a squared plus b squared. This is a graphical representation of a vector. This is used for vector diagrams. Paul walks 25 meters east. He then walks 20 meters north. What is his displacement? 20 plus 25 equals 45 meters. His displacement is equal to 45 meters. Chris walks 3 kilometers east. He then walks 2 kilometers north. He then goes 1 kilometer east. What is his displacement? Well, 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6 kilometers southwest. His displacement is 6 kilometers southwest. Find the magnitude of the sum of a 15-kilometer displacement and a 25-kilometer displacement when the angle between them is 135 degrees. First, state your givens. A is equal to 25 kilometers. B is equal to 15 kilometers. And theta is equal to 135 degrees. What is R? A is equal to 25. B is equal to 15. Theta is 135 degrees. What is R? Plug in the values. R is equal to 37 kilometers. Sum of a 36-meter displacement and a 10-meter displacement with an angle of 160 degrees, find the magnitude. First, state your givens. A is equal to 36 meters. B is equal to 10 meters. Theta is equal to 160 degrees. Find R. Well, for this problem, we will use the law of cosines, which is R squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of theta. So you plug in your givens. R is equal to 25.9.
Musical instruments are vibrating surfaces that are sources of sound. In a flute, recorder, organ pipe, and whistle, air is forced across an opening in a pipe. In string instruments, the strings are set into vibration. It is very often that the strings are attached to a sounding board that vibrates with the strings. If you have ever used just the mouthpiece of a brass or reed instrument, you know that the vibration of your lips or the reed alone does not make a sound with any particular pitch. That was our video on vector addition and sound.
Thank you for watching. Period.
Musical instruments are vibrating surfaces that are sound. One atmosphere of pressure equals to 10 to the fifth power. Yeah. Being that waves are a wide range. What the?
Oh, man.
The pitch of an ambulance, fire, or police siren changes when the car or truck passes you. The frequency is much higher when it's coming towards you